Meet Sawyer. You remember Sawyer from the 2023 Super Bowl, right? Sawyer won the audition among hundreds of dogs. The commercial is a relatable story of a family and their rescue dog adjusting to life when everyone returns to work and school. Yes, anxiety separation sets in and chaos takes over. As a pet parent, we can all relate to this story. You open the door to a mess. Sawyer is now the spokesdog for Amazon Pet Products. Getting right to the important stuff: dog treats, dog beds, dog clothing, dog toys, just about everything for dogs. Lucky for Sawyer, and us, he found his way home from a California shelter, and is doing just fine. Learn how a former stray found his way into 100 million homes. Sawyer now joins some 10,000 plus dogs who work at Amazon. Learn more, meet Sawyer.